Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nanette. So I just got this Jade roller from Herbivore. I'm sure y'all know and have heard about this. All the little influencers on Insta have one. It's cute. And here's what it says you're supposed to do. It says, the Jade Facial Roller is an incredible tool for inner and outer beauty. Facial rolling is relaxing and de-stressing. It's been a beauty ritual since ancient times in China. Is that true? Physically, it helps to firm the skin through gentle massage, and it also aids in detoxing through the lymphatic system, the body's main major detoxification system. There are a lot more words on this box, but really I got it because I saw it on Instagram, and the man at Sephora said that I should use it with my serum. So that's what I'm gonna do. So my face is already cleansed, and so now it is time for the serum step. I'm gonna use the Jade roller to apply my favorite vitamin C serum, which is the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. And I'm just gonna get that on my face. Ooh, how do people on Instagram do this? And just rub it in a little bit so that I don't have it dripping all over my face. Oh, it smells so good. And then I'm gonna take the Jade roller and read the box, and it says, move down, begin in the center of the face, in the eyes and cheekbones. Where are my cheekbones? Okay, over here. All right. I also put this in the fridge because someone on Instagram did, and it feels really nice. Ooh. I'm just gonna get all up in and around here. Still working in short strokes. Move down to the chin. Ooh, I do feel de-stressed, TBH. Rolling. Rolling down the river. Do 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 do. Oh, yeah. Get rid of all those eye bags because baby girl was definitely up till 2 a.m. yesterday doing what? Nothing. Says I'm helping get rid of toxins. I can feel it. Okay. I'm feeling good. TBD on whether the Jade roller is worth it. I'll let y'all know in a next video or something. But for now, that felt real good. So then I'm going to follow up with my moisturizer, and my favorite moisturizer right now is also Ole Henriksen, and it is the Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. I don't have a lot of this left, but it's so good, but it also costs so many dollars, so I'm just going to literally use the very last bit of it today for this video. And just rub that in real well. So that's just skincare. Let me bring you guys a little closer for the makeup look, okay?